Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details, and let's talk about Gtechniq C4 Permanent Trim Restorer. C4 utilises a covalent or chemical bond to become an extension of the plastic trim that it's protecting. This product is not to be confused with much weaker electrostatic bonds used by, and amongst others, PTFE based polymers. C4 swaps part of its molecular structure with the surface molecules of your car's trim. What this means is that you now have a protective coating of unparalleled durability. Unlike many trim products on the market, C4 adds an exceptionally thin, optically clear film, which means it does not add an unattractive gloss film to the surface. Instead, it restores all but the most faded trim to an as-new condition. At both ends of the spectrum, we have severely faded trim and new trim. The demonstration vehicle is the Porsche Cayenne that is 6 months old with 7,000 miles on the clock. To many, this trim is already in brand new condition, but as a detailer, I know there is definitely an improvement to be made. Not forgetting we are protecting these surfaces at the best time in a vehicle's life, which is right from the start, so it doesn't suffer from fading over the next couple of years. Preparation before applying C4 requires you to clean the areas using APC, and what I recommend for you to do afterwards is to wipe down the plastic surfaces using a mixture of IPA. This will ensure any grease or previous product residue is completely removed and that the plastic surface is ultimately clean. Apply several drops of C4 ceramic coating onto a Gtechniq applicator and apply to the plastic surfaces, ensuring total coverage. Manage your workload by applying the product to selected pieces of trim at a time. So for me, each individual piece of plastic I will treat in one. So for example, the whole of the driver's side door sill. Once you've applied C4 to the entire first panel, take a fresh microfiber towel and gently buff the residue to remove excess product until a smooth finish is achieved. Once you are happy with the buffing of the plastic trim, take a second fresh microfiber towel and make sure any residue that's spread to the paintwork is completely removed, and make sure to check all surrounding panels. Just like most ceramic coatings, they set solid within an hour, so if you miss any product residue at this stage, you are in for a treat trying to remove it later. There is no secret tips to applying this product, simply make sure you've properly cleaned and prepped all plastic areas. Ensure total and as even coverage as you can with the coating, and then make sure all excess product residue is completely removed. Treat one section at a time, and for demonstration purposes I've done 50% of the rear diffuser so you can see the before and afters of the ceramic coating on brand new trim. Believe me, the difference this product makes to faded trim is remarkable, which I will cover in a future video when I get a chance. This product never fails to surprise me. Its durability on plastic trim is something I have never witnessed before. One single application on my Volkswagen Caddy work van was good for around 15 months. If you really want to take your time, I would definitely recommend applying 2 layers with at least 12 hours between each layer, particularly for anything more than brand new trim or slightly faded trim, simply so you get extended durability. C4's durability is between 1 to 2 years. I would feel confident in saying 2 layers and you will definitely achieve the 2-year mark. Most trim dressings last a couple of months at best. C4 costs £22 for 15ml. A lot does go a long way, and for anything other than something with a ridiculous amount of plastic trim, you should be able to apply 2 layers with 1 bottle per car. Something to bear in mind, which goes for all Gtechniq ceramic coatings, is that the car needs to remain dry, i.e. garaged or undercover, usually for 12 hours after application so the products can fully cure. If the car gets wet or rained on, this can cause streaking in the coating, which is really going to ruin the results. If you like products that last the way they say they will last, then I recommend Gtechniq for all your ceramic coating needs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Head over to jpdetails.co.uk/store and pick up a pack of 2 sport scented JP Details air fresheners for under £5. All proceeds are going to new editing software. I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.